Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where you are going to learn some unique and amazing crafts. Let's see what are we going to learn now. Isn't it looking super amazing to let's see what are we going to begin? You have to take the clay shape in this manner and then you have to just fold it in this way, get the imprints by the help of stick and then make the nose part in this manner. And then paste the eyes like this and your bunny is absolutely ready. And then with the help of scissors you have to make the spikes and make the imprints and patterns like this. Now let's see what are we going to get now. You have to just take the imprints with the help of, you have to make the spikes and thorns in this manner on the back side of it. Your porcupines are ready. Now let's see how to make this beautiful swan. You just have to take the clay and then you have to get the imprints like this, make the spikes in this manner one over the other so as to get a beautiful pattern like this, paste it over it and then again you have to get the imprints like this. In the end you'll be end up getting a beautiful amazing result. Isn't it looking super pretty and amazing? Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we going to get now. Again you have to get the slices like this, make the patterns in this manner and then fold it one over the other by taking the cutouts like this and I'm getting now make the fins part in this manner and join it further and these are get ready to go. Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we going to make. You have to roll it further and then get the eyes and then fold it into the shape of this, paste the eyes and then the nose and then you have to just end up give it a fine shape and these are yet ready to go and your dogs are ready. Now what you have to do, you have to just fold it in this manner, get the cuttings over like this, make the spirals in this manner with the help of fork, make the lines like this and then you have to give it a fine look and then you just have to fold it further by taking the group of them and then squeeze it in this manner and with the help of scoop you have to make the impressions like this and in the end you'll be getting a beautiful result. Isn't it amazing? Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we going to get now. Keep on folding and you'll get with the help of fork you have to make the design, the patterns like this and in the end you'll be getting with the help of scissors you can make the spikes like this and in the end you'll end up getting a beautiful result. Now let's see how to make this. Again with the help of fork you have to get the impressions like this and in the middle you have to get it like this, just give it a curvy look in this manner and then paste the eyes and then with the help of phone you have to get it like this. Isn't it amazing? Now let's see what are we gonna do now. You have to make the imprints in this manner and get it like this and in the end you'll end up getting a beautiful lovely result and you'll be amazed to see it. Now let's see how are we going to make the spikes, make the ears and then the nose, to squeeze it further and then with the help of scissors you have to make the spikes and make the impressions, imprints and patterns like this and you will be amazed to see it. Isn't it looking super amazing and pretty? Keep on proceeding and in the end you will be getting a beautiful amazing result. You have to make the imprints and impressions like this, squeeze it further and then paste the eyes and this is it. Thank you.